If you've been injured in a car accident or another serious accident, chances are you already started searching online for answers. And if you have, you've probably found a lot of conflicting advice, half truths, and information that doesn't really apply to your situation. So, in this video, I'm answering the 7 questions I hear most from my clients and giving you the same practical guidance I give them. Question 1: what's my personal injury case worth? This is probably the question I get asked more than anything else. Every case is different. Every injury is different. Every insurance company evaluates claims a little differently, and every client heals at different pace. I've handled personal injury cases throughout Florida for years. As your case moves forward, the estimate may change. I'll continue updating my opinions so you have realistic expectations about what settlement value and whether it makes sense to negotiate. Continue pushing the insurance company or prepare for trial. Question 2: do most personal injury cases actually go to court? Most people are surprised when I tell them the answer is no. The vast majority of personal injury cases are resolved through settlements with the insurance company before anyone ever steps into a courtroom. That doesn't mean your attorney shouldn't be preparing for trial from the very beginning. In fact, one of the biggest reasons many cases settle fairly is because the insurance company knows your lawyer is prepared to take the case all the way if necessary. Question 3: how long will my injury case take? Some personal injury claims resolve within a few months. Others can take a year or longer. It really depends on what's happening in your case. One of the things I tell clients is that rushing your case simply to finish faster usually isn't in your best interest. Sometimes patient gives us a more clear picture of your injuries, and that often leads to a stronger claim. Question 4: what can I do to give my case the best chance of success? The biggest is your medical treatment. Go to treatment because you need it, not because you think it helps your case. Your health always comes first. If someone isn't helping you recover, have that conversation with your doctor and let your attorney know what's changing. The second thing is communication. If your phone number changes, your email changes, or you move, keep your attorney informed. Question number 5: how do personal injury lawyers get paid? A lot of people hesitate to call an attorney because they're worried about the cost. Fortunately, that's usually not how personal injury law works. Most personal injury attorneys here in Florida work on what's called a contingency fee. That simply means you don't pay fees up front. Instead, your attorney is paid a percentage of the recovery if your case is successful. It's a system that allows injured people to hire experienced legal representatives without worrying about paying thousands of dollars before the case is resolved. Question 6: what Florida deadlines should I know after a car accident? This is one area where waiting can become a very expensive mistake. Florida has strict legal deadlines for personal injury claims. In many cases, you have 2 years to file a personal injury lawsuit. If that deadline passes, you may lose your ability to pursue compensation altogether. There's another deadline that's just as important. Florida's Personal Injury Protection, or PIP, coverage generally requires you to seek medical treatment within 14 days of the accident to qualify for those benefits. Those deadlines can have a major impact on your claim. Question number 7: does living in Florida change my injury case? It absolutely can. Here in Miami, car accidents are certainly common, but because we're the cruise capital of the world, we have received a lot of questions about cruise ship injuries and maritime claims. Those cases often follow completely different rules from a typical Florida personal injury case. It's important to understand that every type of case has its own legal considerations. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to subscribe. I answer the most common questions I hear from injury victims so you can make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.